BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some beer can bacon burgers at the pit, and it's real easy to do. I have here some ground chuck burger. This is right from the chuck. It's about 80-85% lean to 20 to 15% fat. That's the meat to fat ratio you want for this to work. And what I'm doing here is forming some 3/4 pound meatballs. Anywhere from 1/2 pound to 3/4 pound meatballs will work perfect for this recipe. All right, the meatballs have been made. Simple enough. Now for the beer cans. Use your favorite beer can on this, right? Oh yeah, right. And you want full cans of beer, otherwise you're already drinking into that can. Well, it's just not gonna work, and I'll show you why. We're gonna use these beer cans as a mold. You take that can, push it down right to the board, and you begin forming it around the can. Just like that. Oh yeah. Now you're gonna find it sticks pretty well to the can. It molds up nice and easy. It's best to use cold burger for this. If it gets too warm, you're gonna have trouble forming it. All right. Now, next step, you get yourself some pork belly bacon, regular cut. And just wrap it around just like this. Now, I think you know where we're going with this, right? This bacon is going to keep all of this together. The bacon sticks like glue. Oh, man. Now we're going to get some comments from the food police, right? We'll just eat your heart out. All right, bacon is on there, and you just remove the can, just like that. Now, you're not going to have to oil that can or add moisture to that can to get it out of there. You just work it with that dish towel just like that. It'll come out nice and easy, and you get a nice pocket like this. I told you this is going to be easy to do. Now, let me do another one. Just in case you fell asleep during that last shot right there. You take that beer can, again we're using it as a mold, and form that ground chuck right around it. Oh yeah. We're going to be talking some stuffed burgers here. We call them beer can bacon burgers. See how easy it forms around that can? Man. And we're going to take that regular cut bacon. And of course you want to use pork belly bacon. Some of our European friends are going to go, what the heck is that? No, it's American style pork belly bacon. Wrap it around just like that. It sticks together. Again, we're using that 80-20 meat to fat ratio burger. Grab that can, pull it out, and you got yourself a pocket. And in the miracle of time, we've formed up 6 of these beer can bacon bowls. Oh, baby. Now, let me show you what we're going to do for stuffing. Here I've got some beef hash. I've got some mushrooms. I've got some grilled onions. We've got some green and red bell pepper. Fresh chopped tomato. We've got some meat chili there. Woo-wee. Man, we got some bacon. We got some roast beef. And here we've got some ribs. And that's just going to be for snacking. Oh, man. Now, you're going to be able to stuff these burgers with whatever you want. Here, I'll take some of them grilled onions and throw them in there. Just stuff them with what you like. Yeah. Bell peppers. Like I said, you stuff them the way you like. It's good. All right. These guys have been stuffed. Put that roast beef in there. Some of that beef hash. Next, what you want to do is chop up yourself some cheese, and I got some chunks here of pepper jack. Just throw maybe 2 or 3 chunks in each bowl. Man, if you've never had beer can bacon burgers before, you definitely got to check this out. Or at least you're missing something out of your life, right? Here I've got some shredded sharp cheddar. Use what cheese you like. And of course, a little bit of Pit Boys hot sauce. A few hits in each. Maybe grab yourself some barbecue sauce. These are like bacon bombs. All right, these burgers are ready for the grill. We've got the grill set up indirect, right? Kind of a medium heat. You know about that if you've been watching us. Place them opposite the hot coals. Man. You get hungry or what? Now you got an excuse to drink beer. A lot of it. Put the cover on. It's going to take about an hour at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. About an hour has gone by. Take a look at that. Oh. Melted cheese. Bacon is done. Have mercy. Now, we're going to pull them off the grill. Just nothing more to say. All right, let me show you what one of these guys look like on the inside. We got the roast beef hash one. How about with some mashed potatoes? Now, of course, as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but of course we call this Pitmaster privilege. Yeah, eat your heart out, Vegematics. Food police, thumbs up. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your barbecue, check out BBQPitBoys.com.